Hi, my name's Victoria, the storytelling specialist. Welcome to Website Magic. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily update your brand new website. You're going to log into Squarespace using the email you provided. Then you'll select the website here on your dashboard. I happen to have two, so I have one to pick, but you'll pick whichever website is the one that you purchased. Now, when you log in, you'll see this beautiful dashboard. This is your website exactly as it shows here on the right. And here is the navigation, the editing navigation. You can click edit here on the page to edit in real time any of the sections that are here. If you want to change colors or fonts or design, you can hit this little paintbrush up in the top right. That's called Site Styles. Here you'll see fonts. You'll also see the color palette that was provided with your site. You can change the background color of any of the sections, and this is all completely editable to customize the colors to exactly fit your brand. Now I'm going pretty quick here, but let's hit done. And let's take a look over here on the left-hand side. At the top, you'll see pages. This is where all of the content, and you can see it mimicked here, about, services, blog. You can see it mimicked here in the top navigation. And this is a folder with a drop-down, and you can see the drop-down pages here. You can click on a page to visit that page and start editing. Under the not linked section are any pages that are not linked to from your top line navigation. Usually the home page is not linked up here in the navigation, so this is where you'll find it. You'll notice the little black house next to the home page. That's how you know that that page is the one that's visible. You can see the whole website here. So let's go back. Under design, you can also see site styles again. This is where you can go and change the colors and fonts and everything that we mentioned. And there is so much more to share with you about how to quickly update and edit your site. But that's the basics. When you get to launching your site and setting up the domain, I'll have some other videos for you to kind of walk you through that portion of the process. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you soon.